Graftobian Special FX Trauma Pro Makeup Kit. Fast overview. The Special FX Trauma Pro Makeup Kit brings together all the greatest hits from our Special FX makeup line into one convenient professional kit. You'll find everything you need to create realistic special effects makeup and trauma simulation makeup applications, featuring our best special FX creme colors. Learn special FX makeup from the best. Also included in this kit is our Mass Casualty training DVD starring Emmy Award winner Suzanne Patterson, with over an hour of special FX simulation training. We also include step-by-step full-color instructions from 5 different special effects, theatrical, and character kits to give you all the information you need to make the most of this kit. For working makeup artists who need a portable kit, or for special effects enthusiasts who need a full set of special effects makeup to get started, this kit has it all.